I offer my Bhaktapurna pranams to revered President Maharaj, revered Suhitananda Maharaj, revered Balabhadrananda Maharaj, revered Nitya Maharaj, and other revered monks, brahmacharis, nuns, and all the special invitees for this convention of Bhava Prachar Parishads. When the cancer in the throat aggravated, the devotees decided to keep Thakur at Kashipur Garden House with the expectation that would give him some relief. The devotees were not rich like Mathur Babus. So, Sri Ramakrishna himself distributed the expenditure and responsibilities in such a way that nobody would be hard-pressed. He asked students to bear the expenditure of the house, Balaram to take care of his personal expenses, M was entrusted to correspondence with the doctors, the youngsters volunteered to do all sorts of odd jobs. Holy Mother remained as the guardian angel. One day, Thakur told M at Kashipur, "You and others are working for the well-being of this body. This is Maya, but not Avidya Maya, but Vidya Maya. Through this Vidya Maya, one can attain Brahma Gyan." Sri Ramakrishna sometimes used another term, Vidyar Sangsar. That means the household activities centering God. When Thakur went in Mahasamadhi, who was maintaining Baranagar Math, Alambazar Math, Holy Mother, the devotees curtailing their rations. That was the day of total uncertainty about the movement. Still, their devotion and conviction were so certain, they ungrudgingly did this unremunerative sacrifice with bold heart. This was actually a period of test for Vidyar Sangsar. After Chicago, the picture changed. The monastery was running in a more organized fashion. But whatever be the situation, the devotees were in the same spirit to support the movement. We have observed how Belur Math came up, Sharada Math through Nivedita school was sanctified, how Ramakrishna Mission at Balaram Mandir saw the light. Our devotees were all along a support to the cause. Today, we have the budget of more than 1,000 crores, having nearly 300 centers, covering not less than 20 to 30 countries, 1,000 Bhava Prachar ashrams in India, and not less than 300 private centers outside India. These centers are run exclusively by the devotees only, of course, under the guidance of Belur Math or Sarada Math. Recently, so many centers are being affiliated by Ramakrishna Mission, and if we look into their history, we would find that most of our centers were started, developed, and handed over to Belur Math or Sarada Math by the devotees themselves. In the background of this organized social structure, the society is witnessing how our devotees are running these centers, forgetting their social status, financial disparity. Angels would run in competition to see the bank chairman clearing ashram toilets, IPS, IAS cutting vegetables along with ashram cooks and servants, teachers and professors cleaning the vessels with others in a joyful mood. The members of Hale family, Professor Wright, Oli Bull, MacLeod, Nivedita, Goodin, Xavier's Leggett family, certainly staying in Ramakrishna Loka, happily witnessing how their participation for a cause has become successful. Swamiji said, "Man-making is my mission." All these institutions came up so that the monastics as well as householders would become beacon light in society. Noren, Rakhal, Baburam, Sharad, Shoshi, Latu came to Ramakrishna when they were youths. And today's Ramakrishna Mission is a contribution of the youths. So every center must have a youth wing. Raja Maharaj emphasized in his address in 1910 on this point. Recently, while visiting so many centers, we observe there are so many persons who are leading retired lives. They have time, intelligence, maturity. If this section of society is tapped, they can render fruitful service and their old age will be purposeful. Every person has some surplus time, some surplus energy, and surplus money. If you do not use it for a good cause, you will have to spend it for a wrong cause. Nature will compel you to use it. Our Bhava Prachar Parishads ashrams should form a guild to see how it can come to the rescue of any family in duress, whatever be the nature. Our point is, we belong to a family, the Ramakrishna Parivar. The trustees decided in a meeting that if Bhava Prachar conference would organize some havan with some sankalpa mantras. These few sankalpa mantras are the guiding force to run the parishad in the real spirit, and this will help to make the family as well as the ashrama a vidya samsar. By observing this sadhana, we will attain Brahmagyan as assured by Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna.